Hello guys, hope you are all doing good. So welcome you all to another episode of Culinary Arts of Positive Life TV. And today we are preparing something special. That is the butter chicken biryani. So normal biryani you might have tasted. So if you have not tasted this butter chicken biryani, kindly follow this recipe and you can also try at home. It is a very fantastic taste and you all will love it. So let's see the marination part. So I have taken here 1 kg of boneless chicken, and to this is the lemon that is squeezed. So 2 spoons I'll add here. Then there will be red chili powder, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, about half tablespoon of turmeric, about half tablespoon of pepper powder, salt to taste. I have used the pink salt. Then this is the ginger garlic paste, so 2 tablespoons approximately, so I'll add this. Then the kasuri methi, and now you can mix it thoroughly and keep it for about half an hour for marination. Then we have to add curds, about 1 cup of curds. So you can mix it thoroughly and then keep it aside for about half an hour. Now we will prepare the rice for the biryani. This is the butter, about 4 teaspoons. Then we will mix ghee also to this. Then you can add some spices. So we have added here ilachi and bay leaves. You can also add other usual spices if you like it. The chili slit with the green chili. Then we will add 1 kg, that is 4 cup of rice, basmati rice. Just mix it out a little. Then you can add double. Now we have taken 4 cup of rice, so 8 cup of water we will add. Always it should be double the count. You can mix it out. You can add salt to taste. One tablespoon salt is added. Then you can take the lime juice, 1 teaspoon, and let it start boiling. And we'll close the lid, and let's wait till the rice absorbs the water completely. We'll start preparing the masala. So here we have taken about 10 to 12 garlic cloves, then ginger, maybe one big ginger piece cut into small, then around 8 to 10 chili. Now we will grind it out in the blender. You don't have to do it into a fine paste. This is sufficient. This type of blend is sufficient. Since this is what we are preparing is a butter chicken biryani, so for the masala, here we have to blend the onions. instead of directly adding the onion slices, you have to take it in the blender and make it into a fine paste. So around 6 medium-sized onion has been taken and it is cut into pieces as required. Now we'll blend it. So this is sufficient here. So it is not into a very fine paste, but it's sufficient. So we have taken here around 4 tomatoes, medium sized, and we'll make it a paste. So it is ready now. Now we are preparing masala. So parallelly the rice is also being cooked, so we'll not waste time. So this is the butter that is added to the vessel, and the real chef and the mastermind behind this is not me, it is my wife. So here we have also added the olive oil. So now we started using only olive oil for all the cooking purpose, and we can add some spices like cloves, then ilachi, then mace, then cinnamon, and let it be allowed to get heated up. And this is the crushed chili, green chili. My job is only to help in cooking. I am not the real chef here. And also to take videos out of passion, just to inspire you all that you also prepare something whenever you are free and enjoy the delicious meals. And now you can add the onion that we have already blended. And you have to stir this till the water gets evaporated. We have not added direct water, it is water left behind the onion when it is blended. Now we had already cooked rice for 15 minutes. Now let's see. Yes, the water has been completely absorbed and you can see it very clearly. The rice is separated. You can see this onion which we had already kept earlier completely absorbed the water. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Tomato in the sense the blended tomatoes. Now you can mix it. Now this is the process. It is not completely the water. You can see still it is there. It has to be completely absorbed. Parallelly we can start frying the chicken. Take in a pan a little bit of butter, then you can add a little olive oil, and we have to make it a shallow fry only, not complete deep fry. The chicken which is already marinated earlier. Parallelly, we can also do this in the air fryer. This is the air fryer where we make the chicken fry in this, so without any oil actually. A little bit of butter, you can just butter and olive oil mix, you can just make a paste and then place the chicken. This is actually healthy, but even in otherwise today we have added only olive oil and a little bit of butter. Don't make it too dry, so you have to be very careful here about the timings. For about a half an hour it may be required. Now you can see this tomatoes is dried now. There are no water contents in it. It is time to add some spices to this. So we'll add chili powder, 2 tablespoons. Then turmeric, half tablespoon. Coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. And pepper product, crushed peppercorns it is, half teaspoon. Jeera powder, half teaspoon. Then you can mix it thoroughly. Now it looks very dry, so you can add about a half glass of water or 1 glass depending on the quantity. You mix it thoroughly. You can add a few fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. Fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. This adds more flavor actually and more aroma too. Only 5 minutes over. We'll just see what is the situation. We'll open it and see. Now we'll have to just flip it off. And then again keep it back, because we don't want to have a deep fry. It has to be a shallow fry because it is. So this is well cooked. Chicken is well cooked now. You can check like this. See. And now you can remove it and place it in a plate. Already one set we had taken and not shown it in the video earlier. Now let's check whether the air fryer chicken is dried. Yeah, it is become a little more dried. So what we can do is we can mix it in the earlier masala a little bit so that it becomes a little greasy. So we'll add it into this tawa. Just to make it a little greasy appearance, that's all. Now this is also perfectly done. Now chicken is ready. Now we have to mix it with the masala. We'll add a little bit of pink salt to the masala. This is the biryani masala. And to this we are adding the chicken, which is already shallow fried. This itself is very tasty to eat. Sometimes it goes with the rice very comfortably. And you can mix it so that the masala is thoroughly absorbed. So if you want to add more masala, if you want to make more masala, you can add water. Which water? The one which we use for frying the chicken. No? So in that you can add little water. That water you can add, so that will be more tastier actually. So now this biryani masala is also ready. So you can add some coriander leaves and pudina, mint leaves, and also the fenugreek leaves, that is kasuri methi. And now it's time to add the cream, fresh cream. This is addition actually for the butter chicken biryani. A little bit of cream you can add and mix it thoroughly. Now the masala is ready. Biryani masala is ready. Now rice is ready, biryani masala is ready. Now it's time to give biryani a dum. So what you have to do is, first you have to keep a unused tawa. Okay, don't directly keep the vessel, biryani vessel directly on it, on the stove. Just keep over the tawa And now you can add a little bit of butter. Not too much, a little bit, just to grease it. Now it's time to add the rice layer wise. First add the rice, basmati rice that is cooked already. Once this layer is done, then you can add the chicken masala, that is the biryani masala. Then again rice, again masala. So it goes on 3 to 4 layers depending on the quantity. Some will add directly to the masala. Now this masala is ready. Some will add directly over this the rice also. So we prefer making it layer by layer. So masala is being added. So if you like chicken with bone, you can add that too. We prefer boneless. We have not added any birista, that is onion fries, to this. It consumes too much oil also. So this is the garam masala. You can just sprinkle over every layer. And you can add a little bit of chopped coriander leaves for extra aroma. Then again you can add the rice, next layer. And this will continue. So layer is ready. You can add few chopped coriander leaves and kasuri methi. And also don't add color. We prefer adding the saffron. We can take a few saffron and mix it with the rose water and also warm water and mix it up. So that this is not the color. This is the original saffron. And we have used very less ghee and oil. Oil also very less we have used, that to the olive oil. So don't use any additional oil. The originality of the biryani will lose. So now this is ready. It is kept for dum. It may take around 10 to 15 minutes. Then the biryani is ready. Now let's see whether the dum is ready. Yes, it is ready. You can see the flame, what you call. It's very evident that the dum biryani is ready, and it is time to eat it. So do try this recipe, and do mention in the comment section how you felt after trying this recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and wish you all the best.